If you want to upgrade the quality of your handmade lip glosses and you want to create better products, keep watching this video. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel if you're new, or welcome back to the channel if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Weslynn. This is my channel, Business Weslynn, surrounding around my business, Thebeautypackage. Thebeautypackage is a handmade cosmetic and skincare brand, and I sell lip gloss, lip kits, body scrub, body butters, everything in between. Code YouTube for 10% off your order. 5 ingredients that will upgrade the quality of your homemade lip gloss. So if you are a lip gloss maker like me, you're always looking for ways to improve your product. You're always looking for ways how to stand out. You're always looking for ways how to make your product better than it was yesterday, okay? In the middle of formulating my lip glosses, I do want to talk about what ingredients I have been using for a while. Like, these are ingredients I'll talk about on my channel a bit. If you want to upgrade the quality of your handmade lip glosses and you want to create better products, keep watching this video. One is HP. This is typically used as a substitute for mineral oil. Mineral oil is honestly not good for your skin. It's not good for your lips, nothing. So a lot of people use this as a substitute. Thin out your base, but also make your lips extremely shiny. Like, I've never seen a product that has made your lips so shiny. I mean, I have, but this is definitely up there when it comes to things like that. On it, I'll put the benefits right here, but it is honestly pretty affordable, and you can kind of get it. It's kind of a bit popular now, so you can get it on like Amazon, TKB Trading, Etsy. Those is kind of where I like to shop. Next is OC. OC is mainly used for keeping the skin moisturized. This is used in like lotions, body butters, cosmetics, all that, like face care, but it forms a protective layer of skin, reducing water loss, makes skin soft and smooth in appearance. This process helps skin remain hydrated. So yes, this will help keep your lips hydrated, keep your lip glosses actually doing what it needs to do, which is hydrating the lips. And honestly, if you look into like ingredient lists of like the most popular lip glosses in the world, it will most OC in it. So highly recommend looking into that, highly recommend getting it. And yeah, this will definitely upgrade the quality of it. Next is P250. This makes sure lip gloss is so shiny, so smooth, and once again, this top-notch high quality ingredient. If you are looking to literally upgrade your lip, like, you could probably, if a lip gloss is $4, you put this in it, you could sell it for like $8. The skin's moisturized, helps with chapped lips, your lips moisturized. If you want to talk about moisturization, get this. This will get you right. Next is P1200. Now, like, I want to show y'all the consistency of this. This is no joke. If you want to have the thickest, glossiest lip gloss in the whole entire world, show y'all. Oh, look at that. You can't really see. Want to have a thick lip gloss, highly recommend this. This is more of a pricier ingredient, but if you want to increase the quality of your lip gloss, $3 lip gloss can go to $12 with this. This is that stuff. This is what you need. If you are looking to upgrade the quality of your lip glosses, get this. I'm gonna put the benefits right here. So yeah. And also, there's another ingredient that I want to talk about, which I'll put the screen right. I'll put the like information right here. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and check out my social media links. Shop my shop, Thebeautypackage. Follow my social medias, and I'll see y'all in the next